Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So as you all can see, I have partnered with the Main Choice to bring you their boosting kit collection. But the great thing about this is that now it is available in larger sizes. So these products are exclusive to Ulta Beauty, and you can find these products at themainchoice.com. So without further ado, let's get right on into this video. Starting off this wash day, my hair is very dry and needs all the attention and love that it can get. So I'm starting off with the Mocha and Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy. This product goes directly onto dry hair before you shampoo, before you co-wash. And easiest for me, I'm applying this product into 4 sections. So I'm making sure that I get the ends of my hair. I'm making sure that I get and break down each section of the sections of my hair. And I'm applying a generous amount of product to each section. So after applying this product, I apply a conditioning cap, and you can apply heat. You don't have to apply heat. Either way, it's going to do its job. This product is going to help with shedding, breakage, is going to nourish your hair, rejuvenate your hair, and strengthen your hair. So I'm making sure that my hair soaks in all that it can get from this product. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair, and as you all can see, my hair is already being brought back to life. So next up is the Silk Amino Acid and Keratin Reconstructor treatment. This is going to reconstruct the hair shaft from inside out. This is also going to fortify any kind of color or chemically treated hair, and this is great to strengthen weak, limp hair. So I go ahead and apply back to my hair first, and then I'm going to be applying the Kelp and Feverfew herb rehydration therapy. You apply this or spray it onto your hair and to your scalp, which feels so good. And then I went ahead and detangled my hair and twisted up the section. So for the rehydration therapy, this is also highly concentrated, and this is going to help restore moisture to dry, dehydrated hair. And you can either apply either of these 2 products depending on what you feel like your hair needs, or you can apply both, which is what I did. And you just again sit up under a conditioning cap for 15 to 20 minutes with heat, and then you go ahead and rinse it out. Last but not least is the Triglyceride and Mint Scalp Renewal. This is going to restore, revitalize, and condition the scalp, balance any kind of oils and moisture in your hair, and relieve dryness. So you make sure that you apply this directly onto a cleansed scalp. So that means after you shampoo, after you condition, you apply this to your scalp, and you work this into your scalp section by section as well. So after I'm applying it, after I'm massaging into my scalp, I noticed after a few minutes that my scalp started to tingle, which just lets me know that it's doing its job. And after I applied it throughout my entire scalp, I'm going right into my styling process. So the collection that I use in conjunction with the boosting kit is the Count on Core collection. I'll have everything listed down below of what I use, and soon you will see my final results. So to get into my final thoughts of this boosting kit collection, let me just say the Main Choice really showed out by making this kit into larger sizes. My hair absolutely needed that extra love and attention, and your girl is heavy-handed with applying products. So of course this is very convenient to anyone who is heavy-handed like me. My hair has crazy definition, it has a lot of shine, a lot of moisture. If you have not tried this boosting kit, you definitely need to go try it. Again, you can find this entire collection at Ulta Beauty, or you can shop themainchoice.com. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye.